Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis, and today we're going to focus on pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 4 of 4 lesson. Hopefully you have already completed your pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 3 of 4 quiz and earned at least a 7 out of 10 on that quiz. If you haven't, I strongly encourage you to go back to the part 3 of 4 lesson and retake that quiz until you earn at least 7 out of 10 correct. Okay, let's continue. Suggestions for learning. Please define each word using an English dictionary such as dictionary.com. And if you're an English learner, please translate each word and sentence in your language via translate.google.com. Also, it's very important to review each of these lesson videos a minimum of 2 or 3 times and try to read each word and sentence along because we want to improve your pronunciation and communication skills as well. Thank you. Here is the full list of pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words with part 4 of 4 in bold. Repeat after me. A, and, away, big, blue, can, come, down, find, for, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little, look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, said, see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. And again, for part 4 of 4, these are the 10 words we're going to focus on today. See, repeat after me, see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. Here are some sample translations via Google Translate, and these translations are for the Romance languages, the 5 Romance languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Romanian, and French. And again, these are for the words see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. If your language is enlisted here, if your primary language is enlisted here, use translate.google.com to translate these words in your primary language. And now we begin. Here's the first word. See. Repeat after me. See. Can you see the moon? Did you see the rainbow? I want to see Paris, France. See. The. Repeat after me. The. Give me the ball. The teacher was happy. She went to the store. The. 3. Repeat after me. 3. Number 3 follows number 2. I have 3 good friends. The 3 policemen stopped the car. 3. 2. Repeat after me. 2. I go to the store. She will go to the park. He wants to go shopping. 2. 2. Repeat after me. 2. Number 2 follows number 1. A group of 2 is a couple. There are 2 candies here. 2. Up. Repeat after me. Up. Look up at the sky. Let's go up the stairs. She climbed up on the chair. Up. Next word is we. Repeat after me. We. We are here. We need to learn English. We study well together. We. Where. Repeat after me. Where. Where do you live? I know where to, let's say it again. I know where you will go. Let us meet where you want. Where. Yellow. She loves the color yellow. Yellow tulips are her favorite flowers. The leaves turn yellow in autumn. Yellow. And here's the last word. You. Repeat after me. You. You are a student. She needs you to call her. I will give you money. You. So this is the end of the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 4 of 4 lesson. Please review this video 2 or 3 times at least. Please, if you're an English learner, translate all the sentences and the words in your primary language. But everyone, regardless whether you're an English learner or you grew up with English as your primary language, you need to look in the dictionary.com website and define each of these words. So, after you study these words 2 or 3 times at least, and you feel ready to take the test, we're going to take the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 4 of 4 quiz. And I expect you to score 7 out of 10 or higher. Okay? So study hard.